Taylor Swift felt amazing and powerful as she stormed on stage at Anfield Stadium in Liverpool on Friday for her Eras tour. Despite struggling with the UK's cold weather, the pop icon, 34, delivered a stunning performance. The sun finally shone for Taylor and thousands of her fans, who were in high spirits. Taylor wowed in a shimmering red blazer, making 10 outfit changes throughout the night. Speaking to the crowd, Taylor said, "Liverpool, you just made me feel so amazing. You've already made a stunning impression on me." She kicked off the show with Cruel Summer, followed by The Man and Calm Down. Her surprise song was a mashup of This Is What You Came For and Gold Rush. Though battling a sniffly nose, Taylor reassured fans, "We'll be fine." The audience erupted as she continued, proving her resilience and dedication. Taylor's UK tour promises more unforgettable moments for her devoted fans.